until today lo South Coast ze comrade elilodwa nje esigcine sesithi province yalesaba kukhona okunye elikwenzayo kwi leadership province ngoba comrade asikwazi ukuthi si engage no comrade onqamalala uThobani ngenkinga ka comrade uHlongwa sidlule siye kunqamalala in person sibeke indaba nangu comrade edivisive uthi umkhonto wesizwe neoffice elakhe akekho futhi umuntu oyomtshena SG uyitholile into engizisendile ngathi ngumaqithuke office lakho ngaze ngazisenda kwi head of the former election was ngokukhulu kushesha wayithumela wabuya lebona ukuthi caba ngimthumelile uSG yonke detailed information le isiyaselo was South Coast up until today awukaze nobhala uzibhoda ngisho ukungiphendula ucomrade ukwazi imbanjwa wathi efike na 2 weeks ngamthumelela the very same information kade ngimtshela manje lana akekho nana yedwa actually kwi leadership yonke mhlawumbe kuzoba ncoba nifikile because sizimisela ngokuthi masiphuma ngalo emnyango sizophuma sesine solution because liyayidinga investigation uHlongwa comrade Shivam national organizer ugadwa ngama R5 ukwi interim structure yena yedwa ucoordinator ugadwa ngama R5 o urban ban insizwe zo5 ehlale sihamba nayo uHlongwa njalo lo sikushilo lokunqamalala uyakwazi ma comrade asazi usababane seku interim structure asazi uzosilida kanjani eparties khali ngalendlela ufikile ucomrade Thobani elewa South Coast wambiza wathi akafuni nje beshilo namhlanje insuku sasawuthu sahamba sawuqhinqa officeini ngoba ioffice lakhe likhokelwe imali yakhe sihamba nabo comrade Thobani bambiza for the second day wanqaba uHlongwa now you could actually smell comrade Shivambu ukuthi le comrade esikhuluma ngalo linjani lithi ke ngelise likhishwe umuntu kumkhonto wesizwe ngoba liconnected ngifuna ukuthi ke ngale sikamdala elowa South Coast si discourage ke ngale ndlela engaphezulu kwamandla kodwa sibambe ngomoya wothando towards umhla ka29 ukaMay ngoba samxosha ngo15 February uHlongwa samrelease sathi comrade uyabona nje kumhla ka3 and 4 kaFebruary awuzange uzobe nama programs azosithatha assistantweni yokurate ye voter registration so therefore asikwazi ukubekezela ublank ngale ndlela usilide towards umhla ka29 wavula amaphiko bayazi ucomrade Thobani bangakutshela akasasaye indawo ukuze kuzobe namhlanje kufanele senze njani kunama comrade la esifazana asemuzwa abantu athe kochitheka igazi kuwo ngeviki elidlule we wrote to you nobhala ngalo statement kune comrade asekwa 25 lasekwa 26 ePenabod afika nebhama emzini wakhe kuno comrade usomthula uhlezi la owamxavula imphutsi mic ethi angikwazi ukuba nemhlangano ungangimizanga ngucoordinator niyoze ngizwe umuntu ngucoordinator so therefore comrade Shivambu it doesn't need any investigation ngishilo ezincwadini ngathi umsholozi can attest ekuma problems e South Coast ngathi khulumana noComrade Thobani uyazi including uComrade Mbanga so therefore there is nothing that needs to be investigated uHlongwa as from today regardless of what asimdinge lo South Coast
Nemarcha.